What is the alphabet? The modern English alphabet consists of 26 letters. The alphabet originated in the 7th century along with this, and let's just stop. There's a lot that happened in the 7th century, as you can see, but this is basic timeline. So let's keep moving. So since then, there's been letters removed and added, like all these. Look at them. Wow. There's also the same amount of letters as the iOS basic Latin alphabet. The exact shape of printed letters is determined by the typeface and a font. Basically, they're both combined together, and sometimes you get cursive, and it's different for every writing style. There's many different types of alphabets, and there's not just one writing style that exists. And that's not just the alphabet, there's a couple tons. Just different cultures, different everything. So, basically, the alphabet is a set of letters which allow us to write down any spoken language that uses the writing style that is the alphabet, using words such as phonemes, which allow us to do it, and then graphomes, which allow us to have basic symbols. Although it's another word for basic symbols. The definitions are on the screen.